Welcome back to 50 Car. The Ford Mustang Dark Horse 2025 concept redefines muscle car mastery with a mesmerizing blend of tradition and innovation. This masterpiece captures the soul of speed while delivering comfort and technology for today's discerning driver. Exterior design. Step by step, the exterior design commands attention. A sleek aerodynamic profile flows into sharp, muscular lines, giving the car an aggressive stance. The striking LED headlights resemble a predator's glare, while the sculpted hood hints at the beast beneath. Signature black accents and carbon fiber details complete its fierce persona. Pros: stunning aesthetics, iconic Mustang DNA, cutting-edge materials. Cons: may be polarizing for classic Mustang fans. Interior and dashboard. The interior invites you into a cockpit designed for thrill and comfort. Premium leather seats with heating and cooling functions envelop you in luxury, while the driver-focused digital dashboard features customizable displays. A 12-inch touchscreen houses advanced navigation, blind spot radar, and lane-keeping sensors. Pros: advanced tech, ergonomic layout, luxurious materials. Cons: rear seats are limited in space. Performance. Beneath the hood, a 5.0L V8 engine roars with unparalleled power, achieving a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in under 4 seconds. Top speed crosses 180 miles per hour, delivering a surreal driving experience. The suspension ensures control, while enhanced brakes provide precision stopping. Pros: exceptional acceleration, thrilling speed, reliable handling. Cons: fuel efficiency could be better. Price, audience, and competitors. Priced around $65,000, it targets thrill seekers age 30-50. Rivals like the Dodge Challenger SRT and Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 pale in elegance and innovation. Summary: the Mustang Dark Horse 2025 offers a unique ride for speed lovers seeking style and comfort. It bridges the gap between classic and future muscle cars.